Welcome to this video tutorial on the Holistic Progress Card for the foundational stage in MS. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the initial steps required to get started with HPC, including how teachers can be mapped to their respective domains and how the school admin can manage these assignments through the system. Let's begin with the first step, logging in as an admin. Once you've logged in, look at the left-hand side of your dashboard. You will see an option labeled HPC. Click on this, and it will open two important sections, Teacher Domain Mapping and Progress Card. Now, before assigning domains to teachers, there's an important step. Teachers must be registered in the system. Only once a teacher is properly registered will they receive their MS login credentials. These credentials will allow them to access their student list and begin updating the Holistic Progress Card data directly in the portal. After completing teacher registration, move on to the Teacher Domain Mapping section. Here, the admin must select the class the teacher is handling, and then assign the teacher their respective domains. Assigning these domains correctly is important, as it determines which sections the teacher can access and update for each student. If there is any mistake or change required, the admin can edit the domain mapping. In case a teacher needs to be removed, the admin can do so by selecting the teacher and clicking the delete button. Additionally, the admin will also have the feature to enter student progress card data, as well as view and print the Holistic Progress Cards for their school. For any technical issues, like buttons not working or system errors, please contact at this number, and for queries related to HPC academic part, like what to fill and how, please contact at this number. In part 2, we'll show you how teachers can fill out the Holistic Progress Card for their students using the mapped domains. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides.